Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician instructor out here on a residential home doing a dryer vent cleaning. I got my buddy Al from New York out here. He's going to start his own business there, getting it rolling. So he came out today. He came out this week to ride with me. So I thought I'd share a couple of videos while he's doing that. So we'll get you flipped around, and you can actually see him cleaning the dryer vent and getting the stuff out. Feeling it getting opened up and stuff like that. Al took the Certified Dryer Exhaust Technician course back in October. Notice how I'm letting that go and it's still falling? Yeah. So you know you're on the downside of that elbow. So you're almost to the back of the dryer. You locked in there? Okay. So he took this Certified Dryer Exhaust Technician course and decided he wanted to come out here and ride with me for a week and get some more hands-on. So that's what we've been doing. Been having a really good time. He just made it to the back of the elbow, and now he's just going to work his way out. The dryer vent is a basic system of made-up air to dry your clothes. But when you clog this system, when this system literally gets clogged, I mean, you run the risk of burning your house down. So having a dryer vent clean, having your dryer vent clean once a year is good preventative maintenance for it. So now he's pulling everything out. Let's see what type of job he did. Let's see what type of job Al from New York did. Not too bad. He starts off right away into an elbow, as you can see. But not too bad. All this right here is just dust. But you can see the lint that we got off of it. They used the standard louvered vent cover, so it was clogged. So not a bad job from the man from New York. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Again, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. I'm here with my buddy Al. We're not going to go that way because of the sun, but I'm here with my buddy Al out of New York. And you know, one thing he said to me the first day of class, he knew what I was going to say, and he's probably waiting for it now. So I'm going to say it now. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.